Well, hello there. It's the new year, and I don't know if you're like me, but I'm trying to eat healthy. So I thought I would just show you what I am making for my lunch today. Okay, so this is not a lot of cooking. I am just literally going to take some things, throw them together. I'm making an Asian chicken bowl, and I'm using this organic quinoa and brown rice pack that you can just pop in the microwave. I have cooked 2 chicken tenderloins, but listen, you can use leftover chicken, rotisserie chicken. You can even buy like the chicken that's already cut into pieces, like in the, I think it's in the, I think I've seen it like in the, like where the cheese and meat and things like that is. You can find it there. It's great for salads. All right, so let me just show you how to mix this all together. I am making my own dressing, so I guess there is that. All right, so to make the dressing, I'm going to take 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of chopped green onion scallions. I am going to mince 1 garlic clove. All right, then I'm going to use some reduced sodium soy sauce, and I need 1 tablespoon of this. And also 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. One tablespoon of honey. All right, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. All right, and the last thing is I'm going to grate some ginger, but let me show you how to do that. I'm simply just going to cut a piece of it off, and I'm going to take the back of the spoon and scrape off the peeling. This is just the best way to peel ginger. All right, so I'm just going to take a microplane and I'm going to grate the ginger. So maybe about a tablespoon of the grated ginger. And lastly, I'm just going to add just a little bit of red pepper flakes. Not a lot. All right, then I'm just going to cut my chicken into pieces. All right, so I am just making 1 bowl, but you could make a large bowl if you wanted, if you're cooking for more people, but this is just for me. This is just for me for lunch. So I'm going to take this rice and I'm going to pour half of it into the bottom of my bowl. Okay, so then I have a coleslaw salad kit. Now this comes with dressing, but I'm not using this dressing. I'm going to remove that dressing. I just want this cabbage. So I'm just going to place some cabbage. I also have here 1/4 cup of the edamame soybeans. Now, these were frozen. I just let them thaw. I'm going to add those. All right, next is my chicken. All right, then I'm going to top it with some French fried onions. And lastly, I'm going to pour some of this dressing. Now, I don't need all of this. All right, that is all there is to it. This has got everything going on. Your whole grains, protein. Oh, it is delicious. It's got that sweet and tangy, just a bit spicy dressing. Yeah, you gotta give this one a try. And this is definitely a recipe that you could meal prep ahead of time if you wanted to. You could make a little bit more chicken. I mean, you've got enough rice for 2 servings in that pouch. This would be a wonderful meal prep salad to have on hand. Well, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.